Okay, in this video we're going to go over 7-4 special triangles and 7-5, the tangent ratio. So in 7-4 you have certain relationships. So the first triangle I have here is a 45, 45, 90, and I know that because these sides are equal. For those sides to be equal, the angles opposite them have to be equal, and so it's a right isosceles triangle. So what are my sides? Well, the legs are the A sides, and the hypotenuse is the A root 2 side. Okay, so if I know that my A is 20 because of this number right here, then I know this is 20 and this is 20 root 2. That's how those are related in this special triangle. In the next triangle, it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, the missing angle is 30, and the side opposite the 30 is the A. The side opposite the 90 is the 2A, and the side opposite the 60 is the A root 3. So let's see what they gave us. They gave us the 2A side, which is 30. So if 30 is 2A, then A must be half of that, or 15. So this side is 15, and then the side opposite the 60 degree has to be 15 root 3. Okay, so that's special triangle relationships. You just have to memorize how they relate, but you also have that little box on top of your page that tells you about the relationship. So make sure you are familiar with understanding the wording there. Okay, so let's go on to tangent ratio. Okay, so now we're in right triangles. We're still in right triangles. And we're in the world of SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Okay, since this is tangent ratio, our focus is going to be tangent, which is equal to opposite over adjacent. So it says find the value of angle X using the tangent ratio. Here is X, right here. This is angle X. So from angle X's perspective, the tan of angle X equals opposite. Opposite is straight across. That's 7. Adjacent is touching but cannot be equal to the hypotenuse. So this is not adjacent, that's the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. So the adjacent side is 5. So that's what the tan of X equals. But I don't want just the tan of X, I want angle X. So what I'm going to do is take the tan to the -1, the inverse. The tan to the -1 of both sides. These will cancel, leaving me with angle X. In my graphing calculator, I put the following. X is going to equal tan to the -1 of the fraction 7/5. So, turn on your calculator, check your mode. Your mode should be in degrees. Have your float off and have it on 1 instead so that you are rounding to the nearest tenth of a degree. Get out of that screen and say second tan, that puts you in tan to the -1, 7 divided by 5, close your paren, and I get an angle equal to 54.5. Whenever you are looking for angles, you will always do the inverse tan operation. When looking for sides, you use straight up tan, and we will practice this going forward. But this completes 7-4 and 7-5.